Hello everyone, today I'm making a tasty spinach with lentil. It's quick, it's healthy and it's totally vegan and gluten-free, so everyone can enjoy it. Let's gather the ingredient first. We have got one finely chopped onion, a handful of perfectly soaked lentils. Lemon is optional. If you want, you can add it. A green chili for spicy kick, one juicy tomato, 3 cloves of garlic, and of course, we will need some cooking oil and salt to taste. Now that we know our ingredients, so let's get started. Heat up the pan and add some cooking oil. Chopped onion, garlic, and green chili. Juicy tomato, soaked lentils and spinach, place a lid on the pan and allow it to cook over low heat. A sprinkle of salt to taste. Ladies and gentlemen, our tasty spinach with lentil is ready. Try this recipe at home and let me know how it turns out in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe for more mouth-watering, easy recipes in the world of cooking. Thanks for watching and happy cooking.